First on our defense list are prepared statements. Unlike queries where user input from the web application is concatenated with a SQL statement, these statements are precompiled by the application before they're executed. This means user input is treated as data instead of code. Picture it as color-coded blocks. Next is input validation, an important step in protecting your application from many different vulnerabilities. By verifying the type and format of input data, you can reject potentially harmful entries. For example, if the application is expecting a zip code or phone number in an input, it should allow only numbers. Database abstraction layers, or object relational mapping, provides a layer of abstraction between your code, and these are generally designed to prevent SQL injection by implementing the strategies we just spoke about, like input validation and prepared statements. Lastly, let's talk about web application firewalls, or WAFs, like Wordfence. These act as detectors between your application and incoming internet traffic. They're designed to detect and block requests that match a malicious pattern. It's like having a security guard who ensures all requests are friendly before they reach your application. As an end user or site owner, this is pretty much your only line of protection against SQL injection attacks. When we combine these strategies as developers or end users, we can create a comprehensive shield against SQL injections. Real-world exploitation of SQL injection is complex, but the hacker ethos is to never give up, to persist. If these vulnerabilities exist, chances are they will eventually be exploited. But preventing their existence in the first place is simple if you follow these defense in-depth strategies. All right, folks, as we wrap up, let's recap why SQL injection is such a big deal. From a developer perspective, if threat actors gain access to your customers' databases, you may lose trust and credibility. The same is true for WordPress site owners who unintentionally expose customer data, like names, addresses, usernames, and passwords. As an end user, knowing your data was involved in a compromise doesn't feel great either, and may require you to take action to protect yourself from fraud. So, if you're a site owner, make sure your WordPress software, plugins, and themes are always up to date, and you're using a web application firewall. Developers, remember to use those prepared statements and keep input validation tight. And for everyone using the web, adopting good security practices like not reusing a password is the way to go. Security is a shared responsibility, and by understanding and protecting against SQL injections, we create a safer online community for everyone. Whether you're a developer, site owner, or end user, Wordfence offers a variety of tools for you and your users. Join us next time as we check out cross-site scripting, another critical vulnerability to be aware of. Until then, stay secure.